First, we do this multiplication. 1 over 2 times 4 is the same as 4 divided by 2, which equals 2. Okay, so 12 divided by this. 12 divided by 2 is just 6. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, we have to work from left to right. That means first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first 12 divided by 1 over 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 12 times 2 and here times 4. No, 12 times 2 gives us 24. So 24 times 4, which equals 4 times 4 gives us 16. We write 6 here and carry 1 here. 4 times 2 gives us 8, and 8 plus 1 is just 9. And this is our final answer to this problem, 96. The correct answer is 96.